Alright, here we go. One position. Start. Alright, the battery's dead. I'm gonna get the jumper, give this a crank. On position. Accessories. Start. Alright guys, welcome back. I'm inside the house here, took it in. I dissect everything out, pull everything in pieces, clean it. And this is the inner guts. Earlier I did not show in a video, but I start pulling 6 tumblers, actually 5 tumblers that sticking out. So what I meant by that is when you put the key in, it should drop all the tumblers, okay? And what sticks out is the one that's bad. That's the one that I pull all that off and put it at the side. So what's in here is about 4 tumblers left in here. Four. So that's what I'm gonna go for. It's still gonna work. And so just the 4 tumblers that's working, and then if I put it in on the housing here, it's a lot better than before. So let's just give this a try like that. Turn. So the first click will be accessories like that, like that, and then start like that. So that's the start engine. Accessories and then start, and then you can pull it off. So let's put it all together now. We're gonna assemble all this together, show you guys how to do that. But first we're gonna put some lube in here. I'm gonna put some lube. You just use some kind of ignition cylinder lube. This little piece right here, it goes in to that end like that, and then this little, I guess that look like a wedge looking type, goes into the other side here. Just like that. Oops. Careful, you don't want to lose all this. And then that little bar inside, there's a ball right there, and there's a spring inside. You don't want to lose that. And that little bar face up, and this little slot right there face up, goes in like that. You'll hear it click. There, see the ball? I dropped the ball right here. Alright guys, we're back to the vehicle. This is the piece that I need to install. The face of it right here, and then couple plastic with spring right there. So let's start with this one right here. That goes right there. There's a groove right there where the plastic goes in. Just pinch that with your finger. And then there's the other one right here. And the spring goes on top of the ball. And then put the plastic piece to cover the spring. Just like that. And you put this face on the front, and then this is the cover that covers everything. I'm not sure how this one works, but let's just, we can still figure out. So let's go like that. So the silver, the shiny part will hook into the silver part right here. Push it in all the way while you're pushing your two fingers, those two plastic, and then turn it. Okay. It's not gonna work. Yeah, the spring's still good. Let's try it again. Yeah, it goes like that. There we go. Now it's locked. It's locked in place. Yeah. And then the pin will lock. This pin will go in the hole, but let's give this thing a try. It goes like this on the cylinder housing. Yeah, goes in, turn, good, out, yeah, goes in, start, out, yeah, good. Another key, start, yeah, see, accessories, on, and start, accessories, off. So it looks good. We're gonna put that pin in here. See that hole right there? Here's the pin, the roller pin. Then sit like that, and then use pliers to pinch it down. Just like that. It's not gonna turn anymore. Alright, so let's give this a try again. Key on, accessories, start, out. Key on, accessories, start, engine, out. It's pretty good. Start, out. Accessories, engine start, accessories, pull out. So it's smooth now. It's smooth. Alright, so this is good now. It's all prepped really good. Now we're gonna put it on the cylinder housing. Alright guys, so this is all prepped, ready to go. We're gonna slide this into the housing. So this is the pin that you need to push in, and then slide it in, and this pin will lock everything in place. Okay. So it goes like that. I remember you had to put on accessories like that when you put it in. So you put on accessories, the key, line it up in the hole, push it in, you will hear it click. There you go. Take out the key, and let's give this a try. Accessories, on, start, start. Accessories, off. So it's easy now. It's easy to turn the key. It's not binding or anything, or get stuck. Start, start. Accessories, out, out. Accessories, out. So that's good. Everything is working good. There's a screw right here that you need to loosen. Push it all the way. Okay. Alright guys, so you can see we have power on this ignition cylinder here. I hook up the battery, so let's try see if it's gonna start. So there you go, we got accessories. We got wiper going crazy right now. Alright, turn on the wiper. On position. Start. Alright, the battery's dead. I'm gonna get the jumper. Alright, here we go. I got the jumper on, the battery. Let's give this a crank. On position. Accessories. Start. Again, try that another key. Accessories on position. Look at that. Okay, last try, the smaller key. It's just smooth now. It's not bending inside or binding. It's not sticking. It's not grabbing the keys. Everything's good. This is a fix, guys. Awesome work. So I end up not replacing the cylinder because two reasons. It's gonna be about a week away, and I don't want this car in the garage because lots of us using the garage here. This vehicle has to be parked outside, and you know, below 20 degrees Celsius is coming in pretty soon. Here it's gonna be cold, and I want this thing parked outside. I don't want to wait a week to get the part, so that's why I just repaired the old part and I made it work. What was the problem is 4 or 5 tumblers was taken out. I took this off, I peeled them off, clean it, put it back together, and left it with like what, 4 tumblers in here, and now it worked. So it's a fix. It's time to put everything, the cover on the top and the bottom back together, screw it down, and this is good. Now I believe I need the next video. I believe how to change the cluster bulb. Somebody put a different color bulb behind this cluster, blue color, and I think it's flickering. I'm gonna have to take this off, replace it with just a regular bulb. I have no idea what part number, what size of bulb they are. So I'm gonna take this cluster out and put a brand new bulb, and that's gonna be the next video. So make sure, if you're new to this channel, like always, subscribe and hit that like button, turn on the bell notification, and if you want me to do more DIY, just let me know in the comments below, and we'll continue doing this kind of stuff, teach you how you guys do some work on your own vehicle. Just give me some question and I'll answer the question. So again, stay tuned for the next video, and yeah, we'll see you again.